Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be playing some MotoGP. Champions Crest should be written on the screen. If it's not, oh there it is. The line between glory and gravel is the MotoGP Champions Crest. Please, let's not do that. Now the British Grand Prix. By the way, this video is not sponsored by MotoGP, okay, so yeah. This game has been here for quite a while. Okay, no talking. Currently I'm 4th place, so how he's on the grass. Top speed, come on. Wow, this lap is very long. I think this is the last, if I'm not mistaken. Stupid KTM. Okay, no talking. Can I got the inside? Yes, I do. 4th place. Let's go. There you go, guy. You got the inside. And you also you got the inside. Wait, there's a corner. How did I go from 1st to 3? That doesn't make sense. Does not make any sense. Sorry, I had to cut because of that ad. An ad playing, so I had to cut it out. Yes, or hate ads. Okay, let's just try another race before I end the video. Leave a like if you want me to do more of MotoGP stuff like this. Yes, my favorite circuits. Okay, let's jump right in. I still don't understand how I went from first to third in just one corner. Whatever. Focus on the race. I launched late. Jeez, it just shoots up the inside. Usually cannot pass anyone with it like this. I'm last. How am I last? Oh, game is glitching. The game is glitching. I think the frame rates are dropping right now. There's so much action going on. Now it should be much better. Yeah, frame rates are still dropping. Sorry guys, glitches. If you get it properly, you can get it on you. Damn, I was looking the other way. Bye. I don't understand how you guys faster than me. Yeah, I got better acceleration than you. There we go. I lose a lot of positions. So let's just speed up so I can make it up. There we go. Up the inside. You shall not pass. Oh, this guy ran wide. He ran wide. I will take this guy quickly, get out my way. He ran really wide. Easy overtake of my career in this game. Bye Honda. Let's go. Then. told you, at the inside. Let me return the favor. Up the inside. Geez, it's been like 10.5 minutes. Oh, I'm very late. Someone's gonna overtake me. Yep, I told you someone's gonna overtake me. Oh, he ran wide. He ran extremely wide. I'll take the position back, third place. Let's go. That is it right now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Do all that YouTube stuff, and yeah, see you next time.